Managing customer data manually can be very time consuming and stressful, especially when you receive multiple form submissions every day. So if you are looking for a simple and smart way to connect your apps and automate your work, then this video is just for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect apps seamlessly using Pabbly Connect, where I have created a powerful automation that connects your apps and manages your data automatically without any manual efforts. Yes. So first, let me explain the use case of this video. Let's assume I am running a travel company and I receive multiple travel inquiries from my users through my jot form. In this form, users share their details such as their name, phone number, email, travel destination, start date and date, travel destination, etc. Now, managing all these details manually and entering them into a spreadsheet can be very time consuming and hectic. That's why I have created an amazing automation using Pabbly Connect, where I have integrated my JotForm account with my Google Sheets. But before we move into the step-by-step tutorial, I am going to give you a quick overview of how this automation will work in real time by simply filling this form that I have already created in my JotForm account, adding all the test details in each of these fields. That is, the first name is Smart, last name is User, one test contact number, email address, travel destination as Mumbai, travel start date and date, number of travels and the budget range. After filling all these fields, I will simply click on the submit button. See, my form has been submitted successfully. Now I am going to check my Google Sheet to see whether a new row is created or not. See, automatically a new row is created in my Google Sheet, which dynamically includes the username that I have entered as a smart user, travel destination as Mumbai, and all the details that I have entered while filling the form. So this is the exact automation we will be creating in this video. But before we continue, I just want to share something extremely important with you. If you are planning to purchase any Pabbly subscription, use my coupon code MEHYT. By using this code, you will get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime plans. You have worked hard for building your business. Now let Pabbly automate your repetitive work so you can focus on real growth instead of manual tasks. As you can see how this automation will work in real time. Now let's start creating this amazing automation step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing single line of code. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using Pabbly, then you can share your questions here and get instant solution. If you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description below. You can check it out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options: sign in and sign up free. If you are new user, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then simply click on the sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing integration between application, and this will only made possible using Pabbly Connect. So I will go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. Once I click on it, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two types of workflow builder, name as new beta and the classic version. It is a modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I will select this. Now I am going to enter my workflow name as Connect app seamlessly using Pabbly Connect. As I am going to create a dummy integration between applications just only to teach you how you can create an automation using Pabbly Connect. That's why I have entered the name is this. Next, I am going to select the folder as Pabbly Connect. You can also create folder from here in your Pabbly Connect account. After that, I will click on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now, this is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happened. This is the first application integration you have to select for creating your workflow. Now in this tutorial, I am going to make a dummy integration between my JotForm account and my Google Sheets. That's why I am going to take my trigger application as JotForm by simply searching JotForm in this field. Here I selected. Next, the app event I am going to select as new response. After that, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me one webhook URL that I am going to copy from here, and the steps of how you can connect your JotForm account to your Pabbly Connect is mentioned below. And this is the response format with 3 quick options as simple, advanced and raw. Here I want to receive a response in simple format. That's why I have selected the option as this. Now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am going to my JotForm account. So this is my JotForm workspace where I have already created one form. So I am simply clicking on it. See, this is the form where I have mentioned only some fields, but you can add more. After this, now I am going to make a connection between my Pabbly Connect account and JotForm. For that, I will simply click on the settings option. I'm going to click on this integrations options. Here I am going to search a webhook. Once I select the webhooks option, it is saying that the integration setup are running. Now I am going to make a new integration. At first, I am removing this integration and again going to click on this webhooks option. Then it will provide me one field by the name of add webhooks. So I am simply pasting this webhook URL in this field. Once I paste this, after that I will click on this complete integration button. See, it says that integration ready. You have successfully created your integration. After that I will click on this finish button. Now here it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, here I am going to copy the link of this form and opening this in a new tab. See, now I am going to enter all the test details in each of these fields. This time I am going to enter the username as a test user, one test email address, travel start date, end date, number of travels as 6 and the range 2. After that I will click on the submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now I am going to check my workflow that I have received a new response or not. Here we have to wait for a few seconds. See, I have received a new response which includes all the leads that I have entered while filling the form. This means that my Pabbly Connect account is successfully connected to my JotForm. Now the setup of my trigger application is done. After that I am going to take my action application as Google Sheet. For that I am simply selecting the Google Sheet from here. I am going to select the app event as add new row. After that I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me 2 options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on the sign in with Google. Here it is asking me for my permission, so I am simply clicking on this continue button. See, my Google Sheet account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Next, I am going to select the spreadsheet here as a user leads that I have already created in my Google Sheets. Now, once I select the spreadsheet, it will automatically give me all the fields that I have mentioned in this sheet. Now, I am going to do the mapping in each of these fields from the previous response. So, to do the mapping, you have to simply click on the field and select the response from your previous step. Here in this full name field, I am going to map my user's full name. See, here it is mapped. Now, what is mapping? So, mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic, completely based on the user's input. As different users have different data that they were filled on your JotForm. So for capturing each of the user's data dynamically, mapping is used. Now here I map the user's full name as a test user. Moving forward in this destination field, I am going to map the destination name as Mumbai. See, the process of doing mapping is very easy. Now in this travel start date, I am going to map the travel start date and the end date too. Next, I am going to enter the number of travelers. After that, the budget range, the phone number and the email address. Here I mapped all the fields. Once I do the mapping, I will simply click on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now I am going to my spreadsheet to check whether a new row has been added or not. See, automatically a new row is added in my Google Sheet, which includes the full name as a test user, travel destination, budget range, email, phone number and all the details that I have mapped in each of these fields. So as a new row is updated successfully, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. As I told you earlier, I have created this dummy integration between Jotform and Google Sheet just only to teach you the logic of how you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. You can use the same logic for other more applications too. Or if you want a personalized video for any of your business on any applications integration, then just comment below. I will create a video on it too. So if you face any difficulties or you have any questions while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. This will save a lot of your time and enhance your business. And don't forget to use my exclusive coupon code MEHYT to get an exclusive discount while purchasing the Pabbly subscription. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.